What's up, guys? It's your boy Mousy. I'm be installing a kill switch in the CRV today, just to help pretty much prevent it from being stolen overnight. Been using a steering wheel lock that pretty much ties into the buckle, but to remove that every single time I get into the vehicles is pretty annoying at this point. So I'd rather there just be an easy, simple switch and something that's nice and hidden. So first thing we're gonna do is get access to the PGM FI main relay, which pretty much is your fuel pump control. It's gonna be on this side of the dash, so we're gonna take out the glove box and any other panel that interferes with it. Here's that main relay I was talking about. So we're pretty much gonna cut one of those wires and then solder in a switch, a simple switch. And I'm gonna take off this bolt to get to pretty much pull this off and get more access to those wires. So I'll be cutting into this yellow and green wire. The other one is yellow and green wire as well, but it's hot all the time from the fuse box. Now I'm just gonna cut this wire and then try to start the car, and that'll verify that kill switch will work. Once I wire it all in, car shouldn't start now. Should start, but it's gonna struggle and turn off because there's still fuel in the fuel row. So now again. This is a wiring diagram that I use for pretty much wiring in my kill switch. This is my Haynes manual right here, so I pretty much spliced my kill switch into this one right here, yellow green. That pretty much powers the fuel pump from the PGM FI main relay. I verified that this is the wire that I wanted to splice into because the other yellow green wire is actually hot in on or start. So I verified this one was pretty much hot all the time when it on or start, and this one only when it's priming or when the vehicle is running. So that's the one I wanted to splice into. This wiring diagram right here doesn't have pin numbers, so I had to use my meter to verify pretty much which one I wanted to tap into. Alright, so I created my pigtail with my kill switch. I'm just going to verify that by touching one end of the wire and the other end on this end. Turn on my meter. And then I do have it in the on position, so I should see some resistance as soon as I turn it off. Oh well. So that tells me that my work is good. I use these to splice them. I did create a video on how to use these types of heat shrinks with solder in the middle, if you want to check that out on my channel. Alright, so there you have it. I spliced in my switch in between the two wires using these heat shrink solder tubes, and now I'm just going to test to make sure that it works. Alright, so I have it in the off position right now. Keys in. The car shouldn't start. Verify it doesn't start. I'll turn it on. Kill switch is now on. There you go. If I shut it off, it should pretty much starve the engine of gas. Off position. There you go. Now we're just gonna pretty much reassemble it. pretty much it, guys. I got everything reassembled. I'm just gonna verify real quick my work. I'm not sure what position the kill switch is on, but we'll see. So it's in the on position. I'm gonna swap it to off. The car should die. Just like that. I'm gonna try to restart it. Yep, verified it works. Turn it back on. And that's it, man. So I didn't show you guys exactly where I put my kill switch, just to keep that a secret. You can use your imagination on where you want to put it and your creativity on where you want to put it on your own vehicle. But I would definitely recommend to put it on the fuel pump circuit instead of a starting circuit, because in my case, my vehicle is a manual, and if someone wanted to steal my vehicle and couldn't get it to crank over, to get the starter motor crank, they can pretty much push it and bump the vehicle while it's in gear, getting it to start. And in that case, I pretty much used it on my fuel pump circuit so that the fuel pump won't run while that switch is off, causing it to pretty much crank over, not allowing the vehicle to start, starving it of fuel. So that is why I decided to put it on the fuel pump circuit and why I recommend it. That's pretty much it, guys. How to install a kill switch in your CRV or your Honda in general, just to prevent it from being stolen. This repair pretty much costed me about $8 for a kill switch. I know they do make I think it's a GDI branded plug and play kill switch with the main relay for $60 or $70. But for this, I mean, $8. You just gotta have the tools and the knowledge and what you're doing, and you can do it yourself. So if you learned something, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Mousy out.